Hey guys, I'm Marty Geek. In this video I have an unboxing and hands-on look at the Tribit StormBox Blast speaker that I received more than a month ago, so I can try it out, make a video for you guys. And of course I put it back in the box, that way I can share with you, how the box looks and what to expect when you get it through the mail. Now this thing is a freaking beast, okay, and it's pretty heavy as well. This go for around $200. I'll leave links in my description, that way you guys can read a little bit of information from there if you want. But it is a very awesome device, I'm going to tell you right now. It has a colossal sound, boost driven LED, it's waterproof, and it's also will give you 30 hours of battery life with one full charge. Okay, so let's go ahead and take it out from here. The unboxing is very simple because all you're going to get in here is just the charging cable that you're going to need to charge this speaker, and it actually uses a normal cable, like for an electronic device, not USB-C, just your normal typical electronic device cable charging cord. And you got instruction manuals here on how to work with the buttons and pairing modes and all that. And in the inside, this is going to be hard here in video. Oh no, almost the camera suffers here a big shot. Drop. There you go. Whew. Damn, that was a nasty unboxing there because I almost knocked down my camera. Okay, so here it is. Let me go ahead and fix the camera so we can have a better look. Okay, so now that we have the speakers out of the box, let's go show you guys around. Here you got Tribit, the brand right there. This has a very strong handle, which is unibody with the body, of course, and it's never gonna break off because it's really, really solid. Over here you got the button controls for the speakers. You got the power, you got the Bluetooth, you got the down and up volume. This right here is basically the pause button. You got the light button. This will actually control the LED lights for the speakers, and you got the X bass as well. Over here you got the Tribit brand right there in the front, and on the back, of course, you got the subwoofers. Over here in the back, you got this right here, which is a compartment covered by a very thick and rubber cover that will give you access to these right here. Let's show you guys a little bit closer there. So here you got headphone jack. You can actually connect headphone jack, or if you want to connect this to another like extra speakers or something like that, you can put it right there. Aux in. It has a charging port via USB-C, so you can actually connect a smartphone here while you're listening to music and charge your phone, which is good because this has enough battery power. And of course, this is where you're going to plug in your speakers to charge it. And of course, you can use the cable with the speakers at the same time if you want. But keep in mind, the battery life here is not going to drain anytime soon, unless you're going to have a party that's going to last over 20 hours. Okay, so you're going to be good, okay, when it comes to battery life. And of course, make sure you actually proper cover it, especially if you're like in a beach or like in a pool, something like that, because remember, this is IPX7 waterproof, but it's, this needs to be covered, okay? And that's it. So let's go and show you guys how it looks when you turn it on. Oh, see that? It has a very cool, nice sound there. So I'm gonna turn it off again. And that's how it turns off. It's gonna turn it on again. Awesome. And over here you got, I'll say, Bluetooth. You can control the lights over here. You can click right there, like you see right there with this light mode. The lights in the inside, they say blue or the same color as these LED lights. We tap the other one, you can turn it off. Tap right there. These stays white now, and the lights on the side goes up and down different colors, but these in the middle stays white. And you got X bass, which you can turn it on and off. Now let's go ahead and show you guys the applications that you're going to need to actually work with these speakers. So after you have your Tribit application downloaded, make sure you open it up. You can create an account as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our device. Right now I did it. I unpaired my device so I can show you guys how it pairs. It's gonna press right here, reconnecting. So right now it reconnects right there. But if it doesn't, if you're using this for the first time, you're gonna go ahead and add right here. Click right there. You're gonna click speakers, Stormbox, the brand you're using, which is that one. And here, this is where it's going to actually find your device, and that's where you're going to choose the Stormbox and connect. Right now, since I already connected to this device, I can see my device right here. So here, there's a couple things you could do. You could control the volume of this. You can see the battery percentage right now. Oh, look at that. There's a new firmware upgrade right now. So we could go ahead and upgrade this and see how long it takes. That's cool, because since I have these speakers, like I said, I've been using these speakers for over a month already. This is the third upgrade or the update we've given to the speakers. That's good because it tells you that they're actually, you know, paying attention to the speaker. For now, I'm going to cancel the update because it's taking for a while. And let's go and show you guys how this device actually works with the applications and things you can do here. For example, you got this right here, which is pulsating. This lets you change the LED mode. So right now it's on mode 2. Like you see, this right here is the same color as the lights in the inside. When you go to mode 1, this is now different colors, and now on the inside is actually going to be white all the time, which looks pretty damn cool because this changes based on the music. It has 32 LED lights, which are synced to music that you actually play on the device. That's awesome. And of course, it uses Bluetooth 5.3 version as well, the latest one. Here you can actually control the volume. You got X-Bass here. You can actually also do your own customization when it comes to EQ. You got default, you got X-Bass, classical, jazz, audiobook, customize. You can do your own one. X-Bass, classical, all that right here. Here you also got play, and that's it. Those are the things you could do here. Of course, if you click right here, you got some more information about the device, what firmware it has right now, light control, or light control is on right now, device name, auto hibernate. You could turn it 15 minutes later, 30 minutes later, auto hibernate, auto shutdown. You got it there as well. You also got upgrade. So here you can also upgrade manually your speakers to the latest update, factory reset, or you could go ahead and delete the device from the phone. Now let's go and show you guys how it sounds. Of course, I can't use regular music. I'm gonna have to use free music, which is authorized to play on YouTube. But just want to show you guys how this moves right here. So let's go and hit it. Look at that. Very cool. Here we can control the volume. I can control the volume there. Volume up. That sounds awesome. If I want to change the lights, click right there. And actually changes the lights. And I like it because, you know, the lights change. Everything stays like you see there, sync with the middle lights, the outside lights. Very awesome looking. You know, it looks really cool. And the cool thing is that the quality of the speakers when you're walking with this around or handling this, moving from side to side, oh my god, it's very good. If it's heavy, like I said, it's around 12 pounds. It's around 12 pounds. And like I said before, you can also charge, for example, your phone. So if you have like a USB-C cable and I want to charge my phone while I'm partying, I can just go ahead right here, right? Click it right there, plug it in, and I could just go ahead and plug in my phone over here and start charging right away. There you go, got the message there that I'm charging, and that's it. I'm charging my phone there while I'm actually, you know, using these speakers right here. Remember, it has enough power to actually play enough, at least 20 hours or 20 to 30 hours, plus charge a phone. So that should be good enough, right? If I double click, let me see. There. Go up. Woo. Look at that. Right now here in the video, it's kind of hard to show with you the how loud they can get. But you know, at least I can show you guys how it looks when they're playing music. You can turn it off, everything completely. You can turn back on to mode 1, which is this. That looks so cool, so damn awesome. Lower down the lights a little bit. There you go. So cool. You can pause the music right there. If I hit right there in the middle, it pauses everything, even the lights. Look at that. Play it again. Very cool. And if I tap right here, it goes to X bass. See that? Now it actually lights up. So now it's actually in X bass. So you can notice it on the video, the bass. Yeah, that's how it actually sounds. The Tribit StormBox Blast speakers. These, like I said, they go for around $200. I'll leave links in my description just in case you're interested in them. And you can also read a little bit more of all on these speakers on that webpage. If you have any questions, most likely you're going to get it answered there. But what I can tell you right now is that, like I said, this is waterproof. It's IPX7 waterproof. It has X bass, which sounds incredible. The watts, total watts, 90 watts. 90 freaking watts. Of course, you got this right here, 30 watts per subwoofer, which is amazing, and 15 watts per tweeter. Of course, it uses Bluetooth 5.3. It weighs around 12 pounds. And that's it. You know, you can charge an external phone as you're playing, and to charge it, you use these cables. That's it. These cables, that's it. And believe me, you're not gonna be charging these speakers like all the time because they have great battery life. Like I said, I've been using them for over a month already, but they started selling this week. Okay, so I'll leave links in my descriptions for the website where you're gonna be able to get them. And when Amazon links come up for these speakers, I'll also leave them in the bottom as well in my descriptions. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions on these, let me know in the comments. Till next time, bye bye.